Jamestown City Engineer Reed Schwarzkopf says two payloaders Wednesday were working to clear alleys of the deep snowfall from Monday and Tuesday. And early Wednesday, crews continued to keep open arterials and emergency routes. And he says starting at 11 a.m. Wednesday, graders going into the residential areas of Jamestown to get the streets passable, especially in areas where the heavy drifts have occurred. And about midnight Wednesday, the downtown streets will be cleared in Wind Road, including 10th Street Southeast, and just doing some cleaning up efforts where streets have been opened. And he says with the forecast calling for a warm-up over the next few days, crews will need to work quickly to pick up the snow and the wind roads before the melting occurs. And highway crews were opening up the interstates and other county roads, which is taking time as some areas have drifts of 4 feet high in places. And remember to visit JamestownUSA.com, ValleyCityUSA.com for updates on roads, weather, and other information, along with the latest in weather. Reporting for KCSI TV Channel 10, this is Wayne Byers.